hi guys! I'm excited today. It's spring here. As you can see, stuff is getting green and the sun is finally shining very early these days. So yeah. Also, a lot has changed since my last day in the life. So let's get into those. First of all, I got a new job. A while now actually. I've been working there. So I have a different day in the life as of now. And I also work by different time zones, which means I have meetings at different times and yeah, I work a different schedule, I guess. My day-to-day life now looks very different and I'm excited to show you guys. Also, if you noticed, I have a different location, so it's not that I moved. This is my second home, my childhood home. So yeah, this is where I grew up and my dogs all want attention. But yeah, also I started this video off because everyone already has established that I make my bed, so let's just skip that. And also, in other news, I just almost am finished with this book. I don't know if anyone has read this. I highly recommend. It's the MJ DeMarco is. I like the style that he wrote this book and the way he's talking about all these topics. So definitely recommended. I don't know if anyone of you reads books, but very good. Well guys, it's time to start my work and it's 9:30 right now. I'm starting a bit later today because we have a meeting that finishes at 7. So my part is to build up the QA part, all the QA side, and that is what I'm working on. Today is going to be different because we have release, but other than that, after I'm finished with the release testing, I'm trying to build up the whole processes of the QA. So it will be fun to share that with you guys. But yeah. So we're about to have our meeting at 10 o'clock about the bugs, and we're also gonna go over my yesterday's results from regression tests that I finished. I was doing it on an Android, and maybe as some of you guys know, Android is always fun to do. There's always some weird stuff floating out, and yeah, that is basically what we're gonna talk about. Yeah, so my meeting finished, it went great. We talked through the stuff that I found and about some improvements as well. Now I'm gonna finish, I have one ticket that I need to finish validating. Since we're gonna get the release soon, I'm trying to tie up some loose ends or stuff that I didn't have time yet to do. And after a release, I'm also gonna continue with verifying the fixes or new features that we have implemented, and then I will move on from there. Yeah, so I was actually wrong. I don't have any ticket to validate as of now. So I have a bit of time before the release comes out. I'm gonna continue my research on, we're basically trying to create automated smoke tests, and we have sort of landed on this tool that we would use, and I've never used it before. So I'm just gonna do my research. Basically, I've already installed it. It was very straightforward. And I need to write the tests, but it's a different way of them being written than I've previously done. So yeah, I'm gonna go through the how-tos and see how I can learn to write them myself, I guess. But yeah, it also shouldn't be very hard. But yeah, that needs to get done. So since I have a bit of time still left, I could get on that. So I just installed for the automatic reports to be generated, and I'm sort of adjusting the scenario and writing it as I need it. For now it seems pretty straightforward, and to be honest it seems more like too simple even. But let's see if I can actually run it and if it actually runs after I'm done with this. But yeah. I'm back from my afternoon bike ride, and yeah, so I'm gonna get back into trying to write my first test of a test, I guess, and yeah, trying to figure out which actions that it actually use. So yeah. The tool actually that I'm referring to is called Playwright. Now, I've never used it before, but right now it seems pretty cool to me and much simpler than I used to do. Anyways, any of you guys familiar with it? I don't know, maybe there's some tips and tricks on how you've used it before. Would be nice.